Hello, beautiful parents. Welcome to Mom on Board. When we know that our baby is coming in the world, we do a lot of research, we do a lot of shopping for our baby, we collecting the different things on priority basis for our baby. In that essential thing list, in that priority basis list, there is a one most important thing that should be incorporated, that should be included for your baby is the digital thermometer. Yes, actually it's a very important product. This product is not just useful for your baby, but actually it useful for you also, for your family member also. So this product must be incorporated, or this product must be present in your home. In today's video I am going to cover the information regarding the digital thermometer. Today's video will be a short, so please stay tuned, watch the video till the end. You know what I am going to say. I'll just take 2 minutes of yours. What you have to do, just go and subscribe, press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, comment on the video if you really like the video, then hit the like button for me and share this video, because this is a very useful information, and please, sharing is caring, as I usually said. So do these things fast so that we can start our today's video. So here we are, without wasting much more time, we are starting our today's video regarding the digital thermometer uses for babies and for you also. Digital thermometer actually is one of the most important gadget, one of the most useful gadget which I thought and I used for Raghav or for my family members, because we know newborns, new babies are very prone to infection. They can easily catch cough, cold due to climate change, due to weather change, due to rainy season. If you are using AC cooler in the summers, there are actually different things, different parameters. Because of that, baby can easily catch cough and cold problem, and because of that there might be a chances of having temperature to your baby. In that case, you know, if you are using that mercury containing glass thermometer, or you are still using that digital kind of thermometer, but that thermometer takes the 1 minute of time in measuring the temperature, and you know, you actually face that problem which I had also faced. Using that thermometer on babies is really a big task, really a big trouble for us, because babies are so active, they don't stay or they don't sit at one place for 1 minute also, and that thermometer gives a little bit of uncomfortable taste, a little bit of irritation to our baby. So in that case, this digital thermometer is very useful. You can easily use this on your babies because it's very handy. You don't have to wait for 1 minute while taking the temperature. First of all, we are going to see what are the different uses of this thermometer. First use, you know, it helps in taking the body temperature. If you think that your baby is having cough and cold problem and that might get extended to the temperature on the babies, so in that case this is very handy. That must be in your home. You can easily take the temperature of your baby and get satisfied that your baby is not having temperature because of cough and cold. Then the second use is, our home is not having centralized AC system, so there are different temperature in the different room. If you are putting AC on in your bedroom, then you know the temperature will be lower, and in the other room the temperature will be higher. So you can easily measure the temperature difference in the different rooms. That will obviously help to take your newborn to the different room. Let the your AC put off, let the temperature settle down, and then you can easily move your baby from one room to another. Because of the drastic change, because of drastic sudden change in the temperature, baby might get uncomfortable or he may cry because of that, and you can't catch that. So in that case, this digital thermometer definitely help you in measuring the room temperature in the different room at your home. Then the next use is, it can easily measure the temperature outside of your room while you are taking your baby out. If your AC is on in your home, obviously the room temperature, obviously the temperature of your house will be little less as compared to the outside temperature. In that case, put off AC for 15 to 20 minutes, let that room temperature should be matched with the outside temperature, and then you can easily take your baby outside. That will give a comfortableness. Baby will not get irritated because of drastic change in the temperature. So this is the best use of this digital thermometer. So all about these are the uses. Then we are talking about the benefits. Yes, actually there are various kinds of benefits of this digital thermometer. First of all, it's very handy. You see the shape of this thermometer, you can easily grab over it. It's very handy, it's very comfortable in holding this thermometer, and taking the temperature is very easy task for you. Then the second is most important, it doesn't take 1 minute of time in measuring the temperature. If your baby is small, like 6 months, 8 months, maximum 10 months, in that case you can easily handle your baby, you can easily grab your baby at one place and you can take temperature with the help of that mercury containing thermometer. You can put the thermometer under the arm of your baby and you can hold your baby for 1 minute. But as you know, your baby's growth, as he crawl, as he stand ups, as he walks, in that case holding your baby for 1 minute, it's really a big task. I had faced that issue for Raghav, so in that case we prefer this digital thermometer. And the one disadvantage what I notice of that mercury containing thermometer is you have to put that thermometer under the arm of your baby. In that case what I had faced that I have to wait for Raghav sleeping, and after he slept, in that condition I can take the temperature of him. But still it's actually starting point of digital thermometer is made up of metal, and actually it's a little bit of cold feeling gives the baby when you are putting that thermometer under the baby's arm, and because of that his sleep get disturbed, and actually that is irritated to Raghav. So we decided to use this kind of thermometer. So it's actually a best product, you can use it. Then the next benefit is as I mentioned, you don't have to wait for 1 minute, it gives result in fraction of second. Then the next benefit is it gives a beep sound, that it gives you an indicator that temperature measurement task is completed. You know the temperature of your baby, so it's actually gives a indicator, it's gives a beep sound, it's very good. Then it's actually a very compact, you can take wherever you want with you, it just take a little bit of space in your bag, so you can easily carry with you. Then next benefit is actually it's a cell operated, you can see a screw here. In that case when you see the battery of your thermometer is low, then just you have to change the cell of the thermometer. So the durability of this thermometer is very long, shelf life of this thermometer is very good. Then the next benefit is this thermometer is having a proper cap on it. While measuring the temperature, just put off this cap, the infrareds are coming out from this will actually measures the body temperature of baby, and after completing the task you just put on this cap, so it's very well protected. By any chance if your baby hold this thermometer, so there is no harm, that thermometer is not going to break easily. If you are using mercury containing glass thermometer, and by any chance if your baby hold that thermometer and he just throw away, in that case there might be a chances of leakage of mercury, and plus on that the thermometer is made up of glass, so obviously that will be harm to your baby. But this thermometer is made up of plastic, and obviously it is having a protection cap for the infrared, so obviously there is no harm to your baby if your baby by any chance hold this thermometer. So it's actually a very safe, you can easily use on your baby. And the last benefit actually, while using this thermometer there is no body touching to your baby. You can just easily put this thermometer 1 centimeter away from your baby's body or from your baby's forehead. So it's actually hassle free, and within fraction of second you just take the temperature and your baby will not know that what actually happened. So this is very useful product that must be present in your home. Then the last point is method of use. While using, you just have to put off this cap and hold the thermometer on the forehead of your baby from the 1 centimeter away, that is the 1 centimeter distance should be there present, and just press the start button. That will give a beep sound, and that will fluctuate the reading over here. Its benefit is that the screen is very big, you can easily see the reading over here. But in that mercury containing or a digital thermometer which is having a small screen, in that case you actually can't see temperature reading properly, especially when you are taking the body temperature of your baby at the night. That will be really a disturbing and a very big task for you, because the readings is not properly, they are so small. But in this case they are having a very big screen, you can easily read it. In this infrared digital thermometer, there are actually two types. This thermometer which is I'm using is just give a degree Celsius measurement, but there is another kind of thermometer present which is give reading in both, that is in degree Celsius and in Fahrenheit also. So if you are preferring that, you can also use that, but I use this, I prefer this degree Celsius. There is no hassle to me in using this. I just convert this degree Celsius in Fahrenheit and it give me a Fahrenheit result, so it's all okay with me. But if you want that both readings like in Fahrenheit and in degree Celsius, so you can use that product. Yes, its most important benefit is while you have taken the temperature, there is a orange color light will be flashed when you are using this thermometer at the night, so there is no problem of darkness, or you can easily read the temperature because it giving the light over here. So actually it's a very good while using this thermometer. Regarding price of this product, actually what I buy is falls under the range of 2500 to 3000, so it's economic, not so much expensive, and its durability, its all advantages are so many there. So this product must be incorporated in your baby's essential kit. I'll just show you the demo of it for you. So here I started the thermometer. I'm just taking the temperature of mine and it gives me a beep sound, and here is my temperature, that is 36.1, and it is giving a orange color light so that you can easily read your temperature. It also shows the battery level if you are pressing this button, and if the battery is low, see here it shows that the battery level is low. In that case, what you have to do, you have to just change your batteries, change your cell, and again it is refreshed. So it's actually very good in using. There is one more important point while a method of using is you can measure the temperature obviously on the forehead, but on above that you can take the temperature behind the ear. Here you can easily take the temperature. Right now its battery is low, so it's not showing the temperature, but you can easily take a temperature over here. It happens when our baby is sleeping on his back, so in that case you can easily take the temperature on the forehead. But if your baby is sleeping on the one side, then in that case taking the temperature on the forehead is little bit difficult or little bit uncomfortable to baby also. So in that case you can easily take the temperature on his behind the ear. So obviously there are different ways of taking the temperature. It really gives a good result. Once again I will try for you. See here, it is giving the exact same temperature, that is a 31.1, which is given by my on forehead. So there is no temperature fluctuation. So actually it's a very good product that must be present at your home for you, for your baby, for your whole family. This is all about today's video. For this product I will give a link in my description box, so please go there and check this product. If you really like, then you can easily buy online also. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like the video. If you watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, please hit the like button for me. And till date, if you are not a family member of a Mom on Board, then in that case you just have to press that subscribe button and be a family member of Mom on Board. And please share this video because it's a Mom on Board's job. What Mom on Board does, it just takes the all worries, all the tension of the parents, and it will try to give a different kind of solution that will help to smooth your parenthood journey. So it's a big task for Mom on Board family. So share this video as much as you can. Very soon we will meet in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and please be on board and be in touch.